Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Deputy Executive Mark Ryder sitting in for County Executive Pat Ryan. This isn't a April Fool's Day joke, and there's no need to adjust your screen. This is the Thursday briefing, April 1st, 2021. I'm going to go ahead and just kick right into the numbers for the COVID-19 update. Since the beginning of the pandemic, our total cases are at 13,179. Since Tuesday's briefing, that is up 171 cases. Our total tests are 320,446. Again, that's 2,521 since Tuesday. We've had 11,146 recover, which is 284 over the last 48 hours. And unfortunately, we've had 2 more fatalities of Ulster County residents, bringing us up to a total of 245 in the pandemic. As far as our hospitalizations, we are up slightly from Tuesday. We have 11 currently in the hospital in Ulster County hospitals. Our active cases are up 1,788, actually slightly down because we've had more recover over the last 48 hours than new cases, but still quite high at 1,788 total active cases. We're at slightly over 80 as far as our new positive cases on the 7-day average. So it's slightly over the 80 number, which is, quite high. We had been down in the 40 and 50 case a day range. We're averaging about 80 cases. Looking at our hospital capacity, for quite a while, we've been looking pretty good. We have currently, as I said, 11 in the hospital, 1 in the ICU and 1 on ventilators. The remaining capacity is sufficient for now, 76 remaining beds. It's this time that I want to remind everybody that it's really important that we still continue to wear a mask, maintain distance of 6 feet, and wash our hands. We have to still continue to do the things that will help stop the spread of this virus. We're at a point in time where vaccinations are coming in, and I'll get to that next. But we have quite a few vaccines coming in, but we're at a turning point to where, whether you want to call this the third wave or if it's, I just actually read in the New York Times this week, they called it the shoulder of the second wave in New York, which it's just kind of plateaued coming down from the last winter holiday season. And now it's just kind of plateaued, and we're hoping that it will continue to come back down. Going to vaccines, wanted to reiterate what County Executive Ryan talked about on Tuesday with the expanded eligibility. So as of Tuesday, anybody over the age of 30 can now be vaccinated at any of the sites, either the state sites, Ulster County, any of the sites in New York State. Starting this Tuesday, anyone over the age of 16 can start to schedule appointments and be vaccinated. Currently, the only vaccine that is approved for those over the age of 16, so 16 and 17, is the Pfizer vaccine. So make sure that, when you're scheduling those appointments, that if you are 16 or 17, that you schedule an appointment for Pfizer. We also suggest that you either bring a parent with you or have some sort of parent approval. That'll be required at least at the Best Buy at the Ulster County vaccination site, and I believe at the state sites as well. So as Pat said on Tuesday this week, The vaccine allocation for all Ulster County vaccine distributors was 6,770. That's spread out not only with our county health department, but several vaccine locations. So we have the Best Buy pod, where we've been running, 3 days a week, doing roughly 2,000 or more vaccinations. We also have a whole list of other partners: the Ulster County Fairgrounds, the state-run site, several pharmacies. Neil Smoller, Village Apothecary, is using the Best Buy pod currently as we speak, and several doctors' offices and other pharmacies. So our progress to date on the vaccination front: so far we have 32,311 people with the completed vaccine series, 63,331 with at least one dose. That was just under 60,000 on Tuesday. So far, we've vaccinated 35.5% of our population, and that is of our total population, which includes children and others not yet eligible to receive the vaccine. If you go to vaccinateulster.com, you can sign up for our pre-registration list. What that list does is when we have available appointments at our Ulster County pod, we send out emails with links to those appointments, and you can get pre-registered for a vaccine. It also includes a list of other providers. You can check your eligibility, and it has a vaccination frequently asked questions page. We also hope that anybody who is already vaccinated and is either in the medical field or not, if you want to take the next step and help us get shots in arms, then you can go to ulstercountynewyork.gov/volunteer and sign up. We are providing a stipend for both medical and non-medical volunteers. Next, we are at, just wanted to go through and thank everybody who has been helping us get through this pandemic: healthcare workers, grocery store staff. You see it all up on the screen: public transit workers, teachers, pharmacy workers, law enforcement, mail carriers, delivery workers, journalists, frontline workers, and first responders. I might get the world record for one of these briefings. Contact information is you can call us at 845-443-8888, or you can go to our website at covid19.ulstercountynewyork.gov, or email us at rsc@co.ulster.ny.us. In all seriousness, I hope that everybody who celebrates Passover is having a happy Passover, and anybody who celebrates Easter has a happy Easter this weekend. We just ask that everybody celebrate wisely. Again, continue to maintain social distance, wear masks, wash your hands. We don't want to see the spring holidays end up in the same kind of surge that we saw with the winter holidays, and which really began in Thanksgiving. So wish you all happy holidays, and please celebrate wisely. Thank you.